So, very different thing. So, on Friday we had a sort of this surprise reveal was the setup with Mass Mutual. We had a thing over at the Alumni House, which if you haven't seen is a beautiful building that's been redone. Mass Mutual's given the Complex Systems Center $5 million over the next 5 years to create a center of excellence. We wanted the center of total dopeness, but that didn't fly. Anyway, so now it's a center of excellence it's complex systems and data science. So I'm not allowed to say those things, but anyway, so we had a bit of a thing that was kind of revealed by the president and in front of the foundation people. Okay, so that's great, and it's going to fund students and faculty and those sorts of things, and they have tons of data. They're a good company. They, care about the ethical aspects, so it's different to teaming up with, say, Facebook. There are two parts to that. One is legally, they have to behave well, right? There's a lot of scrutiny for this kind of industry for life insurance, in that you have to be able to, for example, explain why someone's, right? That you have to be able to say, here's how much you have to pay, and you have to be able to give reasons to people as to why. It's because you smoke, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Also, don't smoke, like Tata's like, don't smoke. That's sort of the number one bad thing. Anyway, they have a lot more data beyond that, just about people in general. And what we want to find out is things about people at large. I mean, that's, I guess, my interest more than tracing the individual lives too much, because I feel like that gets a little creepy and dangerous. But I think we can do really interesting things. So this is something that wouldn't have happened 10 years ago, because data science wasn't even a concept, actually. Like that is only about 10 years old in terms of a well-accepted concept, even though people were doing it and so on. And in statistics, statisticians occasionally had said, even in the 80s, I think, some more well-known statisticians had said, we should call this data science. And everyone said, no, this is a great term. Anyway, so that's very exciting, and it starts. We've had a pilot program with them, and it's going to build up. These are a couple others. We have CA Technologies that have been paying for graduate students, and MITRE, we've got a long-term connection with them. First with the hedonometer, and now there's a huge finance project which is about to bear fruit, I think. So anyway, very exciting, very healthy. It's the biggest corporate gift to UVM ever, by a long way. Apparently Starbucks gave some money in the 90s, but no one knows what that was about or what came of it. It's not even like a giant venti mug or something, like, or whatever. Like, you'd think you'd get something out of it, right? But there's no, you could build a building, yeah, right. That looks like, yeah, okay. MIT's got that Frank Gehry thing. If you ever go there, that is a very disturbing building in terms of things that look like coffee cups that have gone wrong. It's actually got rooms that are tilted slightly, and you can feel sick just sitting in them.